Why do intelligent people fail? Have you ever wondered why some highly intelligent people still fail in life? Is being smart not enough? If intelligence alone guaranteed success, every genius would be rich, powerful, and respected. But reality says otherwise. Today we're going to talk about 5 major reasons why intelligent people often struggle in different areas of life. And trust me, you might find yourself relating to some of these points. So stick around till the end because I'll share a golden tips that could change your life. Point 1. Arrogance and lack of action. Many intelligent people think they are superior to others, and that's their biggest mistake. They believe that since they are smart, they don't need to work as hard. For example, Nikola Tesla was a brilliant inventor, but he failed to turn his ideas into a business. On the other hand, Thomas Edison combined intelligence with hard work and persistence to invent the light bulb and revolutionize the world. So the lesson here is simple. Intelligence alone doesn't guarantee success. Taking action does. Point 2. Lack of emotional intelligence, EQ. Do you know what the biggest strength of successful people is? It's not just IQ, it's EQ, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence means understanding your own emotions and those of others, communicating effectively, managing stress, and staying calm under pressure. Take Steve Jobs. He was a genius, but his harsh leadership style led to him being fired from Apple at one point. Later, he improved his emotional intelligence, became a better leader, and turned Apple into a $1 trillion company. If you're smart but struggle to connect with people, you might be missing out on huge opportunities. Point 3. Overthinking and delayed decision-making. This is one of the biggest problems, overthinking and not taking action. Intelligent people tend to analyze things so much that they end up doing nothing. This is called analysis paralysis, where you think so much that you never make a decision. If Mark Zuckerberg or Elon Musk had wasted time overthinking, they wouldn't be billionaires today. So remember, stop waiting for perfection, start taking action. Point 4. Fear of failure and risk avoidance. Some intelligent people want 100% certainty before they try anything, and that's their biggest mistake. The truth is, nothing great in life comes without risk. Jeff Bezos started Amazon as just an online bookstore. If he had been afraid of failure, Amazon wouldn't be the global giant it is today. So if you want to achieve something big in life, be ready to take risks. Point 5. Poor social skills. If you think you can do everything alone, sorry to say, but you're holding yourself back. Successful people build relationships, network, and collaborate. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and Elon Musk all know that connections are key to success. If you're only making plans in your head but not talking to people, you're making a big mistake. So remember, being smart is great, but knowing how to build relationships is just as important. So, to sum it up, if you really want to succeed, keep these 5 things in mind. 1. Don't let intelligence make you arrogant, take action. 2. Improve your emotional intelligence and social skills. 3. Stop overthinking, just start. 4. Overcome the fear of failure and take risks. 5. Work on your networking and communication skills. And here's my golden tip. Done is better than perfect. It's better to do something, even if it's not perfect, than to do nothing at all. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest challenge in life? See you in the next video. Until then, don't just be smart, be an action taker.